In Airwaive, it is the operator that chooses the type of equipment, and it can be any type, but it must be configured in Airwaive so that the host knows what to expect. This is an example of what the host will see for your equipment package. Pictures and information about what they will be hosting. If you're just getting started with Airwaive, you'll be on Site Planner and have a dashboard like this. Click on Add Equipment and then Add New. If you're further along into Airwaive, your dashboard will look slightly different. In this case, click Equipment on the left-hand side and then Add New. Then complete the fields. For information about the fields, there is an instructions link that will tell you more about them. Name and description are important. They will appear directly to the host. It's your way of describing to the host what they will be putting on their property. As a hint, price will be 0 unless you are requiring the host to purchase. Add URLs, and finally, a picture in PNG or JPEG format. If you need to edit, simply click on the ellipses and edit, and you can change anything that you have uploaded. You can have multiple equipment packages in Airwaive, but when you create a cell and send offers, you need to pick one for that cell. So here we are in the cell creation process, and the third and final step before sending offers is selecting that equipment package. You can see it's a pick list, and I can pick and choose from any of the ones that I have configured. If I want to change the default that appears on this page, I simply just head over to Settings and choose my new default.